Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to remove suggested files from Google Drive. To do this, when you open your Google Drive, as you can see, there is always here suggested files. But sometimes you don't want, for example, to see this picture as a suggested file on like your home screen on your Google Drive. So you need just to click on the three lines on the top right of that picture like this. And after that, go to the last option, not a helpful suggestion, and click on it. And as you can see, it will be dismissed. So your drive, you will never put that file again on the suggested files. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.